Mini-size instant electrolyzer. Its power is 5.2 kilowatts, 200 to 20 volts to 200 to 40 volts. Smart constant temperature can set to 25 to 15 degrees. Long press up button, it will display inlet water temperature. Long press down button, it will display water flow. The machine has leakage electricity safety protection and IPX4 waterproof. Smart adjustable power. When the shutdown state, long press the up key and down key for few seconds. You can adjust the power 3.5 kilowatt, 4.5 kilowatt, 5.5 kilowatt.